approach, which is the directory based sharding, which is a distinct one. So directory based sharding. So in this approach, it's a loosely coupled approach. What I mean by that is, you take the data set and then you maintain a lookup table or a lookup file where you map where this particular data set is going to be located and or on which shard it's going to be located. So let's take an example. In this particular database, so you have user table, you have A through Z. The previous approaches, the previous sharding techniques we discussed, either you are applying a range where you are distributing based on the range, or a key where the key is basically pre-calculated and then you apply the sharding, which shard it's located. Here you basically take each record and then you identify a way to identify this record, and then you push it to which shard to go, and then you keep a pointer of a location where this particular data is located. Example is, you create a table or a file where you are going to say, okay, this user starts with A, so in this case Alex is located in shard 1, where the user is Alicia, located in shard 2, right? So here shard 1, shard 2, shard 3. Then you have another user coming in, Aloysius, this could be in shard 1. Here it's not based on range, because if it's a range based, all starts with A will be in shard 1, and it's not based on key because it's not like randomly distributed. Here you know exactly where the data is located, and then you have a pointer where that specify for this particular data set which shard to go to pull the data. So the advantage here is, when you want to grow additional shard, all you have to do is just to make an entry into this particular table, and then you just say now you are another user coming in, and then you want to just put it on shard 4, and then you just make an entry here and then say now this user is in shard 4. Advantage of this implementation is you have a lot more control over your data, and then when you want to redistribute the data, all you have to do is just go and update this table, and then you can stand up a new shard, and then you can distribute the shard to the new shard. So when you are doing as the day progresses, when the data volume increases, if you see a particular shard is really growing heavy and you want to distribute the data from this shard to a new shard, and then all you have to do, so in this case let's stand up a new shard called N1. So you want to take this data from S1, so this particular Alex, in this case it's growing good, then all you have to do is now they change this S1 to S4 here, and then move the data from here to N1, sorry, here N1, and then move the data to N1. So the resharding of the data is very easy, and then all you have to do is just maintain this table. The application will automatically pick up and then start looking for the data into N1. And the data loading also, you have to keep referring to this table, then you know when to update or insert a new data, which particular data shard to go.